Comment 62 encourages you to use a device called a quick table. It's for straight lines. It does not always work, okay, but when it does work, it's super fast. Basically, I think a lot of other teachers would call this the intercept method. I just call it a quick table because it has a very distinctive look. That's the basic setup of a quick table. It's quicker because it uses zeros, which are very quick to work with, and it's also quicker because the standard table of values for a straight line has 3 columns, whereas this only has 2 columns. And so what you do is you just take turns for x to be 0 and for y to be 0. So if x equals 0, then 2 times 0 will be 0. 0 added anything doesn't make any difference, so you may as well just pretend it's a 3y. So some teachers call this the cover-up method because you cover up with your finger whichever term became 0 when 0 was substituted for the variable in that term. Okay, so therefore y equals 2. And now it's y's turn to be 0, so 3 times 0 is 0, that's still 0. So now therefore solve that equation, x equals 3, and you're done. So x equals, so it's 0 along 2 up, 3 along 0 up. And that's your graph. Now, only use it for straight lines. It's the absolute business when x and y are on the same side. You can use it more generally though, but just be aware that sometimes you get it'll backfire because you'll get the same point twice. If you do a quick table on this, all you'll get is that it goes through that and you won't know how to draw it because you need at least 2 points in order to draw a straight line. But if that's the case, just use your good old-fashioned 3-column table of values. So that's comment 62. It basically says that you can save time in your graphing of straight lines by using this thing called a quick table.